Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You set up the camera now, mount it on a tripod or gimbal and lock stabilization. Select optical zoom range first, 3x to 30x depending on lens. Tap focus on the subject, then switch to manual focus to prevent hunting while zooming. Once locked, frame slightly wider than you need so you can push in. Start recording before you move the lens. This gives lead-in footage. Keep exposure manual or use locked exposure. Sudden shifts will ruin the space zoom illusion. You perform the combined motion. Walk backward smoothly while simultaneously zooming in at a steady rate. Practice a single, continuous zoom lasting 3 to 6 seconds for each push to create the dramatic space zoom effect. Make sure your body and gimbal move in sync. Minor timing errors break the illusion. Keep shutter, ISO, and aperture constant, and avoid autofocus. Once you've captured multiple takes, change zoom speed slightly to build options in editing. This gives you control over perceived acceleration and depth. You now edit for the space zoom impact. Align clips and use scale keyframes to smooth transitions between optical zoom takes. Apply easing curves so zoom acceleration feels natural, and add motion blur to hide microshakes. This sells speed and depth. Then stabilize any remaining jitter and perform a subtle color grade to keep subject separation. Finally, add low-frequency whoosh or Doppler elements to enhance motion. If artifacting appears, render a short test export at full resolution to check before final.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.